Hello everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Welcome to another live tutorial. Today we are going to be making a card with this cute Mischievous mice stamp set. Now this is one of our host sets from the new January to June mini catalog. It's in the back. If you host a workshop of at least $150, or if you place a $150 order yourself, not only will you still get celebration rewards this month, but you can use your host rewards to get this adorable little Mischievous mice stamp set for only $12.50. $21 value. Host, or if you host your own workshop for $150, you can get this for just $12.50. Super cute set. So let's get started. So we're going to use our mouse. We're going to do a birthday card, I think. And then I'm also using the Stitch Stars dies, which I love. Any stars, squares, circles, ovals, anything like that, you know, you got to have a set. So we're going to use that. All right. So I'm going with a basic black card base, and I have a piece of white for the inside. And then I've just cut this down to 4 by 5 1/4. And we are going to stamp this adorable mouse with the huge balloon. Now this balloon is huge, so it's good to, you can stamp lots of words in it. We're not going to do that. We're going to do something else. I'm just making sure it's nice and inked. I'm going to stamp it to the right. So the mouse is kind of standing on one foot, so I'm just making sure that the string of the balloon is vertical. Let's see. I think that looks pretty straight, hopefully, on the card. It's nice because they've taken out this center, so you're not going to stamp and get a blotch in the middle, which can happen if with a big, you know, a big solid image. So love that. All right. So what I want to do is I want to put a little gold star in the middle. So I picked out the small star. I need one this size. So I've already die cut my star, but I'm going to cut a star out of the balloon first. So I'm going to take this and we'll just run this through our emboss and cut machine. And it comes out like this, and that way our other star can just fit right inside. Super cute. Okay, let's first do our coloring. So I'm just gonna make a little gray mouse. So I'm using my, what are these? Smoky Slate blends. I'm just gonna kind of do a little shading with the dark first on my mouse. Okay. And then I'm going to take my light smoky slate and just finish coloring it in. And then we can do a little shading if we want. Make sure you don't color his eye. So I don't know about any of you, if anyone's ever had mice in their house. We have had mice twice, but I caught my mother feeding them. My mother said they were gerbils, and I said, gerbils don't live in the wild here. And, well, first she thought they were guinea pigs, and then she's feeding her guinea pigs. I said, we don't have guinea pigs. Then she said they were gerbils, and I said no. And so I set up a trap and caught one, and it was a mouse, and she'd been leaving out food and water for it. And she got in big trouble for that. Let's just say that. Oh, the joys. Okay. He's going to be a dark gray little mouse. Okay, cute. All right, let's just adhere this to our card front. Or actually, I've got some more pieces. Let's, we'll adhere it and then we put other pieces on. Let's get this going here. You can, a lot of cards, you know, you don't have to go in a specific order on assembly. You do what feels good for you. Unless, you know, you really should do something in order. I got something on there. I've already got ink. I've inked one image and I already have ink on my fingers. Okay, so I have a little piece of this. This is the Abstract Beauty designer paper. It's a little pack of 4x6 pieces. And it has this cute gold small stripe. I wanted a nice small stripe. Whoops. Okay, I've managed to get ink here too. Okay. Where's it coming from? I don't know. Okay, now I have a 1/4 inch black strip, and I think I'll just butt it up right next to that. I need to trim it down just a bit though. Kind of put that up right there. That's pretty skinny for my adhesive, so let's just do a really thin line of Tombow liquid glue. I usually do that. All right, stick this on. This is one of my favorite kind of card patterns, is to do a fun little stripey or polka dot strip and then have our image over here. All right, now we can put our gold star in, although that's cute with a black star, but I want gold. We're just gonna pop that right in there, super cute. Now you could color the, you know, you could color the balloon if you want. I'm not going to, but I kind of want to do a little shadow, just kind of down here where he's standing. This is the ivory blends, but just to ground him a little bit. All right, let's do a sentiment. Let's do Hi Sweet Friend. And then on the inside, we'll do the It's Your Birthday. So this is a 1/2 inch strip. And we'll use our same. I like to stamp it once first to make sure I've mounted it pretty straight. See, oh, I stamped it straight the first time. So excited when I do that. Okay, let's stamp. I have not glued this in, so let's stamp It's Your Birthday. I haven't used this one yet, so pretty straight. Okay, perfect. All right, let's make sure I don't stick my arm in there. All right, we'll pop this inside. This is quick and easy. You can make a bunch of these very quickly. And you could even do this on a black strip and then with white embossing. That would look cute too. I'm going the quick and easy route today. Lots to do. Let's pop this up. Oh, I'm right at the end of my pack here. All right, so now we've got Hi Sweet Friend. I'm gonna put it right here over my balloon, but over to the left so we don't cover up too much balloon. All right, now at this point, we should put a few gold gems here, which I have over here. And we need a piercer, which I took in the other room. Yeah, I'm currently have every basket and box I have to put projects in is sitting around with projects in them. Everything, just lots going on this month. And I'm also getting everything prepped for my stamping cruise that's at the end of this month. Super excited about that. Can't wait. Okay. So it's going to be busy the next couple of weeks at the Reese house. Okay. Now you could, I feel like I want to put one more. I don't know. I'll put one more up there. Cute. So sweet and simple. It's just black, white with a little pop of gold. And that's it. So I have a host code below if you want to place an order. If you want to place an order of $150 or more, do not use the host code. Just place your order. Order this, and I'm going to send you a pack of Genial Gems this month anyway. But this way, if you don't use the host code and you have at least 150, you can purchase this Mischievous mice set for only $12.50. So hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you back here on Saturday. All right, thanks everyone.